Welcome back, data enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our data engineering series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of data processing to unravel the differences between ETL and ELT. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of these two fundamental concepts in the realm of data engineering, definition of ETL and ELT. Let's start with the basics. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, while ELT stands for extract, load, transform. At first glance, they seem pretty similar, but their approach and use cases differ significantly. ETL traditionally begins with the extraction phase, where data is collected from various source systems. This data is then transformed to fit into the destination database or data warehouse. This transformation usually happens in a staging area. Finally, the transformed data is loaded into the target system. ETL is perfect when you want to clean, filter, aggregate, or mask data before storing it in a data warehouse. It's especially handy when dealing with on-premises databases or when you need to combine data from multiple sources into a centralized repository. Now let's shift our focus to ELT. ELT also starts with the extraction phase, where data is fetched from source systems. But here's the key difference. Instead of transforming the data before loading it, ELT loads the raw data directly into the target system, which is often a data lake or a cloud-based storage solution. The transformation step happens within the target system itself, using powerful cloud-based tools and computing resources. ELT shines when you have a modern cloud-based infrastructure, like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure at your disposal. It's particularly beneficial when you want to harness the scalability and processing capabilities of these platforms to transform and analyze data efficiently. Both ETL and ELT have their advantages and drawbacks. ETL is great for data quality control and when you need to maintain a consistent data structure. On the flip side, it can be slower and less scalable. ELT, on the other hand, is incredibly flexible and scalable, making it perfect for handling massive data sets. However, it may require more storage and can be complex to manage. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your specific needs and infrastructure. ETL is still widely used, especially in legacy systems. But if you're working in the cloud or dealing with large volumes of raw data, ELT might be your best bet. And there you have it, the key differences between ETL and ELT in data engineering. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Your choice should align with your project's goals, your available resources, and the architecture of your data environment. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the world of data engineering. See you in the next episode, where we'll dive even deeper into the fascinating universe of data. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep optimizing your data processes.